What up, doers of big things? Hey, quick tips and tricks today with questions that I've gotten from partners over this last week. This one's going to be about email deliverability. So let's jump straight in. First, when we have email deliverability, there's these two things that come up all the time, and there's these definitions that I want to go over. The definition one is going to be called Graymail. What Graymail is, these are people who have opted into your email list at some point in time, but have never opened a single email you've ever sent them. And what happens is someone like a Gmail or Outlook will start to automatically put those in spam, which will then negatively hurt your email deliverability for people who actually want to get your emails. Bad news. Got to get rid of them. Number two is spam tracks or honey traps. These are emails that were once good, but have been recycled. They're no longer being used anymore. And so when you send an email to them, they were never going to be opened because no one's actually going in and looking at them. So you want to periodically cleanse your list of both Graymail emails and then spam trap emails. So those are the two definitions I want you to know when you're thinking about it. And there's very specific ways you can do that in HubSpot. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have like things you want to do when you're thinking about these. It's like, hey, how are you capturing all your hard bounces? Most importantly, you want to create some kind of sunset list that is going to attempt to put these in re-engagement, and then will automatically opt out. So my next video, I'm going to show how to do these very specific mechanisms inside your HubSpot instance, so that you will, once you set up, you can forget about them, never have to look at them again, and it will keep your list clean. You're welcome. Anyway, y'all, as always, stay awesome, keep doing it big. Adios.